Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today I'm sticking some vanes onto the, or they call them flights, onto this arrow here. What's happened is I bought some of these arrows off eBay. It's Powerflight Carbon 300. What's happened is that some of them haven't come back with some of the vanes are missing. So what I bought some of these genuine Easton. So if you compare that slightly, these are the cheap Chinese ones and these are the Eastern ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue that on with that. So simply I'm going to use some of this Loctite. Now I know what you're saying, you should be using the original vein glue. It's like $8.99, but I'm going to see if I can get away with this. This was only 99p and these were £2 because it's all money, isn't it? So I'm going to crack on with that and start sticking it. So what I've done is I've put a little bit of glue on there. So and now I'm going to just pop it on there now. Excuse me, I'm trying to do this all one-handed. Back in a sec. So I've got the first one on alright, so I'm going to crack on with the rest. Get that bit of glue off, but yeah. So that's it guys, it's just stuck, no problem at all. I'm going to clean it all up, clean the edges up now. But yeah, with that, bang. And all I did was use that and that. And I'm going to obviously do a video on it and see how well it holds, but they're so much better. I mean, if you look at these ones here, which was the Blazers, compared to the genuine ones, I haven't even put that down now. You can see that there. And then these ones, they're so much better, so much more slicker. And they're made in China, where they're made in America. So anyway, thanks for watching guys, and catch you in the next one. I'll do a demo, see if it worked. Bye for now.